Hey, it's your girl Christina here, and I've been getting so many requests on this makeup look, so I'm finally doing a full tutorial. Hair details will also be linked below. It's not every single product I'm using, but this video was made for like Instagram, so I tried to extend it as much as I possibly can because I got so many requests. So this is just how I'm doing my makeup, putting my primer on first, making sure that's in. This is the Huda Beauty Water Jelly, and if you are a fan of Huda Beauty and you like these products, I do have a discount code. It is Abiola10, and you can get 10% off your entire purchase on hudabeauty.com. So I'm using her new Brown Obsessions palette, which I'm really loving right now, and I'm just getting into the crease with the lighter color, also getting a little bit on my lid. When I'm doing my eyes, I really just want to have a very nice nude look. So I'm using that dark brown in my crease to give it a little bit of drama, a little bit of wing drama. And I also put the dark brown in that specific direction to lift up my eyes. If you notice, my eyes look a little bit more lifted. So I'm now using my mascara by Huda Beauty. I'm using the volume side, and then I'm going to go in with the curl and length side. This is just to help me prepare my lashes for my lash strips that I'm going to put on. And to the magic, the Huda Beauty hashtag full filter, luminous skin foundation, matte foundation. Look at how this blends into my skin, guys. It's crazy, but I'm going to be honest with you. This foundation was actually made for me. So if you have similar skin tone as me, this foundation is for you. Just apply a little bit, like the amount that I applied. Look at that, just a little bit. If I over apply, sometimes I notice that it's too much, but this amount is perfect. Now I'm going in with my Nars concealer, and this is in Cafe. I love this concealer just because of how light it is and how much you can cover with it. It actually gets the highlighting job done. So I'm just going to highlight, and you guys can watch me just pretty much blend it in, because I think a lot of people have questions about how to blend. Before I blend in my concealer, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty TanTour, and this is in Rich, to give my cheekbones some definition and to lift up those cheeks to get a nice contour going. This is just how I contour my face. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend this in pretty much, and yeah. So now I'm adding my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm not sure what color this is, unfortunately, because my bottle's messed up and I put tape over it. But I just put a lighter concealer just to get that pop under my eyes that I'm really looking for in this look, because this is really giving me a really pretty glam. So like when I do my makeup, I'm just doing it as I go, and I'm like, ooh, I'm liking this. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. So that's how I was feeling in this video. I was feeling good about my makeup. So yeah, I'm just continuing the highlight, and yeah. So once I'm done blending in my concealer, I'm going to add my baking powder, which is the Easy Bake and Cinnamon Bun by Huda Beauty. Honestly, Huda Beauty will always have my heart. Their products are absolutely amazing. Just look at how they look on my skin. You're going to obviously see the end result, so just keep watching. This is my blush from MAC, which is Full Fuchsia Frost, and it is just this really pretty pink that I picked up the other day, and I really liked how it blended in with my skin. Now I'm going to highlight with my Bobbi Brown, and this is my Bronze Glow, which just gives me the ultimate glow every time I use it. It's broken and shattered, but I still find it. So this is it. I'm so happy with how this look came out. It really blends so well. No flashback, just straight melanin. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Also subscribe if you like what's going on here. And I'll see you guys in my next video.